look at how to test. So how to test the intelligence. So the test of intelligence, first there is a omnibus intellectual and the ability test. So what does this mean? So this is basically, it includes, there is Wechsler adult. So there's Wechsler adult intelligence scale. So in short, it is known as a WAIS. So this is basically from the 16 years to the 90 years. It is from 16 years to the 90 years. Next we look at the Stanford Binet test. So the Stanford Binet test. So the Stanford Binet test is from 2 years. So you do it from 2 years to the 89 years. This is nothing but the Stanford Binet test. Next we will look at the Binet. Next we are looking at the Binet-Kamet test. And this is the Binet-Kamet test of intelligence. Then comes the Bhatia battery test of intelligence. The Bhatia battery test of intelligence. Next we are going to focus on the infant and child test. So under the infant and the child test, there is the GESEL schedule. There is something known as a GESEL. So what happens in the GESEL schedule? It is from 1 month to the 36 months. GESEL schedule is from 1 month to the 36 month. Next we are focusing on the Bailey scale. So Bailey scale is nothing but 1 month to 42 months. Then comes the Mullen scale. So Mullen scale is nothing but 0 months to the 68 months. So this was about the test of intelligence, where we saw the infant child test as well as omnibus intellectual and ability test. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.